Welcome to Smart Kitchen Products Hub, your trusted destination for honest product reviews, buying guides, and smart kitchen solutions. Today, we're reviewing the electric salt and pepper grinder set, 226. Looking for an easier way to season your meals? This USB rechargeable electric grinder combines convenience, style, and reliable performance. With one-touch operation, you can grind fresh salt or pepper effortlessly while cooking or serving your favorite dishes. Adjustable coarseness lets you choose the perfect grind, from fine seasoning to coarse pepper for steaks and grilled foods. The rechargeable battery eliminates disposable batteries, while the built-in LED light helps you season with greater accuracy. Its elegant stainless steel design complements any modern kitchen and makes everyday cooking more enjoyable. Thanks for watching Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Like, subscribe, and find today's Amazon link and full review in the description. See you next time.